Here is the Vivosun 300 watt output full spectrum LED grow light. Included in the package is the instruction booklet here, the hangers, and a clip for attaching it to a support beam, power cord, and of course the light itself. Fan on the back, lights in the front. This LED has 60 individual LED lights on the front. These LEDs put off various frequencies for your plants to enjoy, but they can get kind of hot. That's why on the back of the light there's a fan installed. This fan will keep air circulating throughout the light to keep it cool. Also on the back, where you put the hangers. This will hold the light. Here's the on and off switch, and also where you can plug it in. This is the power cord for the light. This side will stick into the light, while this side you'll plug in to whatever power source you choose. Just make sure that it ascribes to the light's voltage requirements. The cord is long enough to go out of the tent to plug into the power source. The LED light is the easiest to install of all of them. All you have to do after putting on the hangers is hang it from the roof of the tent, and then plug it in and turn it on. But before you turn it on, you should probably put on your Vivosun protective glasses. The light is very bright, and it will harm your eyes. Okay, let's see. Nice. The light consumes 135 watts, but puts out 300 watts of LED light. This powerful light is great for your plants, and it's full spectrum, so they're sure to enjoy it.